Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to gather the Platinum Sheath in Icarus. So to begin, first of all we'll need to gather some platinum ore, which can be found in most caves, and it is going to look like this. Once you found it, go ahead and research the concrete furnace inside of the tier 3, and go ahead and craft it. Once you've done that, place the platinum ore inside of the furnace. You'll need 5 platinum ores to make 1 platinum ingot, and once you have the platinum ingot, go to your machining bench or anything higher, and here go to resource, and here you should see the platinum sheath. But before you do, in the tier 3, you can unlock it right here, right next to the concrete furnace. Once you've done that, go ahead and craft it from 1 platinum ingot. You'll get 4 platinum sheaths. And this is pretty much all how to get it. This can be used to make some ammunition, like the slugs for your shotgun, or anything like that. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.